Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, as you can see, it's wash day. I've actually already cleansed my hair. I used the Texture ID Dry Scalp shampoo. You can check out a review for that up in the cards. And for my second cleanse, I actually used the Shea Scented Scalp Detox. I forget the full name of it, but I'll insert a picture of the product. Today I'm going to be focusing on a couple of deep conditioners. Now let me apologize in advance. These deep conditioners are limited edition. They were launched during Black Friday. During Black Friday, Miche Beauty did launch their Peppermint Candy Cane limited edition holiday deep conditioner, as well as their Warm Sugar Cookie deep conditioner. With them having a limited stock for Black Friday, they actually decided to bring it back for pre-orders. So if I'm not mistaken, they are still available, and I think they're at a discounted price. I think they're down to $12 now. So if you're interested, definitely go to Miche's website and pick them up. And if they're sold out, I'm so sorry. So first I'm going to talk about the Peppermint Candy Cane Deep Conditioner. So the Peppermint Candy Cane Deep Conditioner says to give your hair a pick-me-up this holiday season with the cooling, fresh feeling of peppermint and a hint of sweet cream blended together. Our Peppermint Candy Cane Deep Conditioning Mask is made with hair and scalp-loving essential oils such as peppermint and tea tree oil, which help to relieve dry hair and scalp, stimulate hair growth, and give hair a healthy, beautiful shine. Even though this smells good enough to eat, please do not ingest. So of course it says after shampooing hair, apply a generous amount of deep conditioner into clean, damp hair. Comb gently through hair from roots to ends to thoroughly distribute conditioner. Place a plastic cap over hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. It also says if you want to use it for an intense deep treatment that you can place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a hooded dryer or a hair steamer for 10 to 15 minutes. And of course rinse thoroughly with warm water. This product contains no silicones, no drying alcohols, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic or artificial colors, no phthalates, and there has been no animal testing. So I'm going to be using this on this side today. And then on this side, I'm going to be using the Warm Sugar Cookie Limited Edition Holiday Deep Conditioner. And this one says, pamper your hair with something sweet and decadent for the holidays. Our Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioning Mask is made with creamy cocoa butter, which has healing and softening properties that will leave your hair feeling healthy, shiny, and moisturized during the cold season. The sweet aroma of warm sugar cookies will remind you of baking fresh cookies with grandma in the kitchen. And same thing, even though this smells good enough to eat, please do not ingest. It has the same directions as the Peppermint Candy Cane Mask as far as how to use it, as well as using it as a deep treatment. And it also claims to not have the same icky ingredients. So I'll be applying this to this side of my hair. So I had the plastic cap on my hair just to keep the water in. And I'm just going to split my hair in half and clip this side up. So I have my hair section off, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Peppermint Candy Cane on this side. I've actually already tried this before. This deep conditioner is pretty thick. The texture of this definitely reminds me more of their Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner. It's definitely thicker than their Indulge Deep Conditioner, but still not super thick to where you won't get slip. So I'm going to start with applying this all around my edges. And this legitimately smells exactly like a candy cane. I actually tried this peppermint one before. With the jar being only 8.5 ounces, it's pretty easy to get through. Like, I felt like I used quite a bit the first time I tried it. It has okay slip, but it definitely doesn't have as much slip as the Indulge Deep Conditioner, at least not in my opinion. To me, it's just a little bit thicker, so I'm not able to glide it through my hair as easily. That peppermint, oh, it feels so good. Y'all know how I feel about a scalp tingle. And as usual, hit those edges. So I'm all done applying the Peppermint Candy Cane Deep Conditioner on this side. So I'm going to get started with applying the Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner on this other side. I actually haven't tried this one before, so I'm opening this with you all for the first time. She's filled to the brim, and she's really thick too. It smells like, definitely smells just like cookies. Like, ooh. As far as the texture, nice and creamy. This one seems even thicker than the Peppermint Candy Cane one. So I'm not anticipating getting a lot of slip from this one. Also recall it saying it has cocoa butter in the ingredients. So this is probably going to be super moisturizing, but not so much slippery. I definitely smell the cocoa butter in the ingredients. Not getting a lot of slip with this, which is okay because I can go in and detangle later with my leave-in. But it's really, really, really rich and creamy. And it's coating my hair really, really well. I have to say that with it being thicker, I do feel like I'm using a lot more product. So instead of going in on damp hair, maybe wet your hair a little bit. Just so, you know, we can stretch the product. Because we all know Miche ain't that cheap. That's all I'm saying. So I'm all done applying the Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner on this side. I'm now going to cover my head with a plastic cap, and I'm going to let them sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse them with warm water just like the directions say, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I have rinsed both deep conditioners from my hair. Let's start with this side where I used the Peppermint Candy Cane one. This is what this is looking like. My hair feels nice and moisturized, and my scalp feels nice and refreshed from the tea tree and peppermint oils that are in the deep conditioner. I won't say that this is my favorite Miche deep conditioner. You all already probably know that the Indulge is just my boo. I do like this one, but I just don't love it like I love the Indulge. But this one is still a good deep conditioner, and if it's available, since it's on sale, I would definitely recommend you giving it a try. If it's not, I'm so sorry. And of course on this side I used the Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner. And this one, listen, my hair feels so soft and moisturized after that one. If I had to choose between the Peppermint Candy Cane and the Warm Sugar Cookie, I would definitely go for the Warm Sugar Cookie. My hair just feels softer after using that one. Granted, the Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner was super, super thick, so it doesn't give me a lot of slip like their Indulge conditioner. But like, my hair feels great. If you have a kinkier or coarser texture hair, I would definitely recommend you picking up the Warm Sugar Cookie Deep Conditioner. It's on sale. Like, go ahead and grab it, girl. And grab a couple of Indulge deep conditioners while you're there. Let me also mention that the fragrance of both of these deep conditioners are definitely lingering. I won't say that they're strong or offensive, but I can definitely still smell them both. Woo! So that about wraps up my thoughts about these two limited edition Miche Beauty deep conditioners. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. And if you tried either of these products, or if you're going to snatch them up since they're on sale now, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.